Evening. We are coming on the air on our first Sunday of 2025 with our first major snowstorm of the year. It's a powerful system set to affect nearly 60 million of us, and it's already dumping snow as a blizzard in the Midwest. It started with ice. Look at this, a dangerous pileup there in Kansas City. But now it's the deep snow that's crippling traffic. They're already seeing 9 inches there. The storm is spinning off tornado warnings tonight in the south and getting set to move east, potentially paralyzing parts of the mid-Atlantic, including the nation's capital. School already canceled in major cities like Philadelphia and in Washington, D.C. It is a mess on the roads and at airports, too, with more than 1,500 flights canceled, more than 6,000 delayed. We've got team coverage tonight, including your forecast in just a moment. But we'll begin with Maggie Vespa in Kansas City.
From blinding blizzards across America's heartland,
you can't even see down the dang street,
to flashes of thunder snow and thunder sleet in Kansas and Missouri. Even a confirmed tornado in Arkansas. A colossal winter system has turned America's midsection into a chaotic, frozen tundra.
we've got rollovers that happened in times past. We're still going to wrecks, and a lot of these first responders are getting stuck.
65 million Americans from the Great Plains to the East Coast are under winter storm alerts tonight. In Kentucky, this car frozen shut and this squad car destroyed. The state trooper inside it injured after a driver crashed into him. In Kansas City, interstates lined with cars and ditches, some struggling uphill and sliding through traffic. And watch as this semi slams into another. This after a drone overnight captured this massive pileup. Highways already coated in ice, now buried in snow.
A lot of people around here have low cars and don't have the right tires.
Plow drivers working around the clock.
Hey everyone, City Manager Brian Platt here.
Kansas City's city manager even pitching in as snow continues falling, followed by frigid temperatures for days to come.
You woke up this morning and saw this and thought what?
This is going to be one of the most historic, significant storms that Kansas City has ever seen. We haven't seen more than 10 inches in 32 years, but it'll be a constant battle. We'll be out here for days.
Maggie Vespa joins us now from Kansas City, where it is really coming down. Maggie, it's not just the snow, it's the power outages.